Hello everyone, this is Aditya here. Today's topic is on questionnaire design. Now, here are some pointers which I would like to give you. This is not the entire questionnaire designing module. This is some pointers which I think would be useful while designing questionnaires. But having said that, there are 2 points which we need to take note of while designing questionnaires. The first point is that whether we are asking the right questions or not. And it happens many times that the client wants everything under the sun, but it is up to us as researchers to try and understand what the research and the business objective is and ask the relevant questions. As I've said before as well, the respondent or any consumer today is not as focused as they used to be earlier. And the attention spans are dwindling to such a great extent that we need to be razor sharp focused in terms of asking the right questions. The second and the most important point, according to me, is that we need to be omnipresent. Well, I'm not asking you to be God here, but what I'm trying to say is the show must go on, even with you not being there. Now, please understand this that questionnaires are administered on the field. It is not done by the researcher who designs the questionnaire. Hence, this particular aspect of being omnipresent, that means the show needs to go on without or with you being in the scene. It should go on as it is meant to be, and that is what is the key. Now, when it comes to designing questionnaires, I've used the 5W and 1H approach again. Now, why do we need the 5W and 1H? Now, let's look at the questions one by one, and I'll explain them in detail as we go through each one of them. Why am I undertaking the study? How am I going to conduct it? Whom am I going to talk to? Where am I going to meet them? What am I going to ask them? And when am I going to meet them? Now, these 6 questions will form a base of the questionnaire that you're designing. Now, let's look at them one by one. Why am I undertaking the study? We need to have the research objective very clearly stated while designing the questionnaire. So we will ask the questions which are pertaining to the research objective. How am I going to conduct the study? This is nothing but the method, whether we are going to undertake qualitative or quantitative approach, whether we are doing a concept test, a product test, a in-use concept test, a product test which can be done in a central location. All this will be covered in the method. Whom am I going to talk to is nothing but the respondent detail. Here we need to cover the demographics and psychographics of the respondent. Where am I going to meet them? The location. Now this becomes very important in terms of the length of the interview. It becomes important in the type of stimuli you're going to expose. So in case it's a street intercept, you will need to have minimal stimulus. In the case it's an in-home study, you have the luxury of exposing multiple stimuli. What am I going to ask them? This is somewhere linked to the point 1, which is the research objective. So the sharper we get in terms of asking the right questions, the sharper will be the response that we get from the respondents. And last but not the least, when am I going to meet them? This is nothing but the time of the day, how much time the respondent needs to give us, and when is the interviewer going to go and conduct the interview. This becomes critical while designing questionnaires. I hope you keep this in mind while conceptualizing it, because that is going to be the key. I hope you like this video. Until next time, see you soon. Take care. Be safe. Thank you.